Welcome to the Roadside Realities channel. In today's video, we will witness thrilling situations, from cars getting hit by trains while crossing tracks, to large trucks losing control and causing accidents. Stay tuned. On narrow roads, drivers should slow down to be safer. It seems that a series of cars couldn't stop in time in this accident.
И пизда нахуй.
It seems the bus driver pressed the wrong pedal. Why did the car move in such a strange way? The car tried to avoid a collision and ended up veering off the road. The car was going too fast and crashed into a tree by the road. If the cars had better speed control, things would have been different. The driver might suffer significant losses from this accident. Not keeping a safe distance, the two cars collided. Fortunately, the car didn't injure anyone. The horrifying accident will be remembered by the driver forever. Even though the black car braked, things didn't seem to improve. If only the two drivers had driven slower at the intersection, there wouldn't have been an accident. The car flipped after the collision. Fortunately, the driver is okay. The car kept wobbling on the road and completely flipped over when it lost balance. The container lost its brakes, causing a severe chain accident. The driver should have observed before leaving. The consequence of running a red light. The car lost control and flipped over on the roadside, affecting the car behind it. Drivers should try not to run red lights. Overtaking without paying attention to distance, the car flipped immediately. The consequence of a car losing control. car was going too fast to brake in time. The car lost control and skidded off the road, extremely dangerous. Drivers should control their speed better to be safer.
Put the window down.
Both the car and the container learned a lesson. The collision was minor, but the driver still needs to be more attentive. The driver seemed a bit distracted on the road. Not keeping a safe distance, the cars continuously ended up in accidents. Drivers shouldn't cross intersections so quickly.
He's not here. Oh, dude.
If the driver had observed better, the accident wouldn't have happened.
Oh my God.
The car collided due to suddenly losing control. The car tried to brake, but still skidded. Did they really not see the other moving? The car braked suddenly, skidded, and veered off the road. Hope the driver is okay. The car was pushed for a distance after the collision. The rest is quite okay. Drivers should observe more carefully when turning. The car still tried to overtake and ultimately faced the consequences. At night, cars should observe carefully to avoid collisions. The accident left quite serious consequences. The car turned too suddenly, causing the oncoming vehicle to fail to avoid it. Drivers should try not to overtake. The distance was too close, causing a severe collision with the container. The car couldn't brake in time and had an accident. Even though there was no accident, the driver should still check the car regularly. The car tried to overtake, but didn't expect to end up in a collision. Speeding caused the container to crash into the car in front. Bulky vehicles should move slowly to avoid unfortunate accidents. The car tried to avoid the roadside vehicle, but ended up causing an accident to itself. Two cars continuously collided due to not yielding. Both cars failed to control their speed,